Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you step by step how to set up Apollo Group TV on Amazon Fire TV or Amazon Stick. So for that just go to any browser on your laptop or mobile phone and search for Apollo Group TV installation guide. When you click on this, the first website in front of you, installation guides, click on this website. When you click on this website, now here you can see there are many installation guides to install Apollo Group TV on different apps and different browsers. So here we are going to search for Apollo Group TV on Amazon Fire TV. So you can see the second one, Fire Amazon Fire TV Fire Stick Fire TV 4K. Click on this one, the second one. When you click on this one, scroll down and here you can see the number one option, Apollo Group TV app guide. Click here. So just click here. When you click here, now you can see a step by step guide how you can start, how you can set up your Apollo Group TV on Amazon Fire TV. So you can see the first one, the second one, the third one. So this is the installation guide. So just follow these installation guide. It's along with picture so you can easily understand. So just follow all these steps and your Apollo Group TV app will be installed on Amazon Fire TV. So this is the guide you can see. Now it's very easy to use it.